Swagatam guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiksha Lok. In this channel, I am providing the content related to aptitude and reasoning, and I am also providing tricks and tips to solve these questions very quickly. So the topic of the day is logarithms. So consider a mathematical equation a power x equals to y, where a must be greater than 0 and not equal to 1. If a equal to 0, then y equal to 0. If a equal to 1, then y equal to 1. If a equal to 1, then y is equals to 1. There is no question of logarithms. So taking log on both sides, a power x base to the a. So take base as a. So log a power x base to the a equal to log of y base to the a. X equals to log a power y. So we'll see this property in the upcoming section. So rather taking a as a base, here we took a as a base, so we can choose e as our base, which is called as Napier's base. So e is called as Napier's base. Okay, so the value of e is 2.7182. so remember it is a standard value. Okay, so now it can be written as log y base to the e equals to x. So anything base to the e is called as natural logarithm. So it is written as ln. So natural logarithm of y equals to x. So these are some important points. So remember these points. So log e base to the 10 equals to the value is 0.4343. Log 2 base to the 10 equals to 0.3010. So log 3 base to the 10 equal to 0.4771. And natural logarithm of 2 equals to 0.693 and natural logarithm of 10 equal to 2.303. So remember these standard values, it will help you. So how graph looks like? So consider the equation y equal to log x base to the 10, where a must be less between 0 to 1 and x must be greater than 0. So whenever you put value of x equal to 1, so log 1 base to the 10 equal to 0. So that's the value of 0. So it will satisfy the equation. So this is the standard graph of a logarithm with respect to base 10. So let's see some of the properties of logarithms. So first property is power property. So log a power m base to the 10 equals to this power is take alongside and m into log a to the base 10. So this is first property. So whenever there is a multiplication of two logarithms, it is treated as a sum of two logarithms. So log m into n of base 10 equals to log m base 10 plus log n base 10. So it is read as log m to the base 10. Okay, so whenever there is a division of two logarithms, it is treated as subtraction of two logarithms. Here is a property. So log b a base a power n equal to 1 by n log b to the base a. So for example, take as log 10 base 100. So it can be done as log 10, this 100 can be done as 10 square. So by this property we can write it as 1 by 2 log 10 base 10. So next property is change of base theorem. So log b base m equals to log b base a divided by log m base a. So here you can take any arbitrary base convenient to you according to the problem. So this is called multiplication of one property. So log a base b into log b base a equal to 1. So there is a reverse property. For example, take so log a base b can be written as log b into log b by log a. So log a log b cancels, so equals to 1. So this is a property. So take this one, e power natural logarithm. If natural logarithm means there is a base e, so e power e, so this property reduces to a power x. So here is the proof. So take this one, a power log x base b equals to this base and this can be interchanged. So it will become x power log a base b. So where b not equal to 1, okay, and all the numbers are positive numbers, okay. So now take this a power log x base a. So bases are same, it means it's equal to x. This one log b power m base a power n equals to, so this will come this side, and this power property, this n will come downside, so m by n log b to the base a. So take this one, a log b, this is a property of a previously solved property. So log b to the base a equals to 1 by log a to the base b. Okay, so this is standard property. So log a base a, so whenever there is a these two are same, it reduces to equation 1. Okay, so let's look into some problems. So take the first problem, log 100 base to the 10. So it can be done as log 10 square base to the 10. So using first property you can write it as 2 into log 10 base 10. So log 10 base 10 is 1, so which is 2, because log a to the base a equals to 1. So that's the answer. So this question, so log 9 log x square minus 10 base to the 9 equal to 1, which implies, take this 9 this side, so it will become x square minus 10 equal to 9 power 1, which implies x square minus 10 equals to 9. So x square equals to 9 plus 10, which is equal to 19. So x equal to plus or minus root 19. So that's the answer. So next question, 3 into x power log 2 base 5 plus 2 power log x base 5 equal to 64. This equation, so 3 into x power log 2 base 5 plus 2 into log 5 base x. So here base is 2, here base is x, but here 2 is there. So we can interchange these two. So it can be done as 3 into 2 power log x base 5. So by the property of change of base, so it can be done as 2 into log power x base 5, correct. So now, so 2 into log power, so 3 times this plus 1 time this equals to, so 4 times 2 into log 5 base to the x, so it is equal to 64, no? So take it as 64 is equal to 64. So now 2 into log x base to the 5 equals to 64 by 4, which is equals to 16. So take now 2 power log x base 5 equals to 16. So 16 can be done as 2 power 4. So here also base 2, equating the powers we get. So log x base 5 equals to 4. So now this goes here. So x equals to 5 power 4, which is equals to 625. So the value of x equals to 625. So let's consider this example. So log 2 log 3 log x of base 2 equals to 1. So find the value of x. So take this power to this one, it will become log x of base 2 to the base 3 of log equals to 2 power 1, which is equals to 2. So now take this base to this, it will become log x base to the 2 equals to 3 square, which is equals to 9. So now take this 2 to here, it will become x equals to 2 power 9. So x equals to 5112. So 5112 is the answer. So this is a small homework for you. So solve it and comment in the comment section. So take this example. If log 2 base 10 equals to a and log 3 base 10 equals to b, so then the value of log 12 base 5 equal to dash. So let's solve it. So they are asking value of log 12 base 5, which is equals to log, so 12 can be written as 3 into 4, correct? So 3 into 4. So base is right there only. So equals to log 5 to the base 3 plus log 5 to the base log 4 to the base 5. This is multiplication property of log. This is equals to log 5 base 3. So 4 can be written as 2 square. 4 can be written as 2 square. So 2 squares, so power, by using power property, so it can be written as 2 into log 2 base 5. Correct? So now in the equation we have log 2 base 10, but here we have log 2 base 5. So let's make it base 10 on both sides by adding some additional base. For example, so take it like log 3 base 10 divided by log 5 base 10. So you can do this by adding power property, by adding base property. So this is 2 log 2 base 10 divided by log 10 base 5. So this also same by adding bases. Okay, so now this can be written as, so log 3 base 10, so that's the value of b, so take it as b, plus 2, so log 2 base 10 is the value of a, so take it as 2a, so divided by, so this is a LCM, log 10 base 5. But here, so this is log 5 base 10, but here we have log 3 base 10 and here we have log 2 base 10. So we need to convert this log 5 base 10 into any of the form. So we can do it by easily by this form. You can do it by this form also, okay, which is equals to b plus 2a divided by, so this can be written as like log 10 of 10 by 2, so 10 by 2 is 5 only, correct, is equals to b plus 2a divided by log 10 base 10, so by using division property log 2 base 10, correct. So log of a by b equal to log a minus log b, so using division property we can like that. So b plus 2a, so log 10 to the base 10 is 1 minus, so log 2 to the base 10 equals to a, so that's the value of a, so which reduces to b plus 2a by 1 minus a, so that's the answer. So log 12 base 5 answer is b plus 2a by 1 minus a. So same type homework I have for you, so solve it and comment in the comment section, correct. So let's move to next question. So this is a JW question, so this is a standard question, they can ask anything about this. For example, they can give n value as 2002 or anything, so this is very easy question, so let's solve it. So consider the given equation as y, so y equals to 1 by log n base 2 plus 1 by log n base 3 plus 1 by log n base 4 and so on, plus 1 by log n base 43, which is equals to, so now change of base and we take it to numerator, so by changing base, so it will become log 2 base n plus log 3 base n plus log 4 base n plus and so on, plus 1 by log, not 1 by, so log 43 base n, correct. So now it can be written as, so this is a addition of multiple logs, it can be done in multiple of logarithm. So for example, so take this, so log base n, so base is same all, so you can write it as 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into and so on 43. So by using multiplication property of logarithm is equals to log n, so here add 1, after adding 1 you get it as, after adding 1 you get it as a factorial form, right. So it will become log n, so this is 43 up to, it will become 43 factorial. But in the question it is given in terms of 1 by, so let's write it in 1 by form. So 1 by log n to the base 43 factorial. So the value of this is log n to the base 43 factorial. Okay. Take this. This is a standard question. So if x, y, z are in GP, so GP means, so y square equal to xz, which is equals to y by x equal to z by x. z by y. So this is the meaning of GP. Okay, and a power x equals to b power y equal to c power z, then which of the option is true? So take it, a power x equal to b power y equal to c power z, apply log on both sides, it will become x log a equals to y log b equals to z log c. So applied power property also. So now take these two numbers, so divide it, so it will become y log b by x log a, okay, which is equals to, c equals sign is there. So now divide this z log c by y log b. So z log c by y log b. That's because of this property. So now, so take this. So y square log b by log a equals to zx into log c by log b. I multiplied y here, but the value of y square is xz, correct? So put that. So xz log b by log a equal to xz log c by log b. So this will cancel. So log b by log a, so this can be written as log b to the base a equals to, so this can be written as log c to the base b. So in the option it is there in a change in bases, so let's change it by, so log b to the base a equal to, if you change base LHS, you need to change base at RHS, so log b base c. So that's the answer, which is true. So try this, the value of this function. So now take it as y, so it is in denominator, so take it to numerator. So when taking numerator, the bases are extended, it will become log 3 base 60, so plus, so log 4 base 60 plus log 5 base 60. So by using multiplication property, so log base 60 as it is, and 3 into 4 into 5, because nominal plus is there, which is equals to log 60. So 4 3 are 12, 5 is 60, so log 60 to the base 60, which is equals to 1. So that's the answer. So this is small homework for you, so try this, comment in the comment section. So final two questions. So log x to the base 2 plus log y to the base 2, so must be greater than or equal to 6. So then the least value of xy is dash. So let's take it, bases are same, so there are addition of two separate logarithms. By using multiplication property, we can write it as log 2 sy must be greater than 6. So log 2 xy must be greater than 6. So take this 2 to this side, so xy must be greater than or equal to 2 power 6, which is equal to 64. So xy must be greater than or equal to 64. So the least value of xy is 64. It must be greater than, or least it can equal to 64. So the least value of xy equal to 64. So that's the answer for this question. So this is also a standard question asking in terms of tan and cot. So they can ask in terms of tan and cot. So what is the value of this question? So take it as, so take this question, so y equals to, so log tan 40 degree of base 10 into log tan 41 degree of base 10, and so on. In the middle there is a value comes log tan 45 degree to the base 10, and so on tan 50 degree, so here it is log base 10, correct? So don't do anything. So tan 45 degree is 1, so log 1 to the base 10 is log 1 to the base 10 value is 0, so 0 into anything is 0, so this value becomes 0. So that's as simple as that. instead of tan, if they have given cot, so cot 45 value, so cot 45's value is also 1, so log 1 to the base 10 is 0. And I'll be uploading this PDF of these notes and some question banks on logarithms into my Telegram channel. The link of the channel is given in the description, so please do follow to access all the materials, and follow me on Instagram for more aptitude and reasoning content. Follow Shikshalok, and I'll be uploading the videos on JEE Mains Mathematics soon. So thank you.